Get to rip tear into the EGR circuit today. The engine's stumbling really bad, and I think the EGR piping is all plugged up with crap. And there's the EGR valve, and then I got to take the intake manifold off of the engine and clean it inside. So this will be a fun day. Alright, so I got the intake manifold off of the Prius. I'm thinking there's an EGR system problem, and show you what I got so far. This is the engine with the intake removed. You can see inside there, see some of the intake valves, the stems anyway. And go over here to the intake manifold, and sure enough, that looks, the little injection hole there looks plugged off. That one's plugged off, and that one's not much better, and that one's got a little bit of, it's not totally plugged off, but you can get an idea. So the exhaust gas is recirculated into this hole, and it's not the cleanest, but it's not blocked off here, and then it goes down into these little chambers and injects the exhaust gas back into the intake manifold, so it'll re-burn any unburned fuel that was trying to go out the exhaust pipes. So it recirculates. So you get a double burn on your gas. But I'm going to guess that's part of my problem. Right there. Nasty. So now I got to decide how I want to clean it. I'm probably going to have to disassemble the throttle body from the manifold itself and totally strip this manifold down and maybe soak it in some solvent or something to clean it internally. Butterfly's not too bad in there, but yeah, here's some more. So got it all back together, no extra bolts or nuts or screws or anything left on the bench top. So we shall see if it was all in vain or not.